Hi guys, so today I want to show you how to elevate your puff puff skills with just two simple ingredients. So in a bowl you want to combine all your dry ingredients, your flour, your sugar, your salt, your yeast and some freshly grated nutmeg. The first ingredient we're going to use is the zobo leaf. You want to make sure to wash it and chop it finely. Make sure you don't get any of those white bits because they can be quite chewy. So you want to make sure you chop it up like this and just add it into your puff puff batter. Now just mix everything up. Now the zobo is going to give it a really nice tangy and chewy texture, almost like a dried fruit. It's really lovely. Now we want to go in with our water, and the second ingredient of course is our gorgeous Millac cooking and whipping cream. Now the cream will add a really lovely creamy nature to your puff puff, but also give it almost like a donutty texture. You want to mix everything together until you get this consistency. Now if it's too light, you can go ahead with some more flour. Now just go ahead with some cling film and a cloth and just put this in a warm place until it has risen and it looks like this. You can see all of those bubbles. That's exactly what we want. Now in a pan with some hot oil, you just want to drop in your puff puff. Now you can use a spoon or ice cream scoop for this. I just prefer to use my hands. Now you just want to turn them over, making sure that they are cooked on all sides and they are looking lovely and golden brown, just like this. And there you go guys, this should literally take about 4 to 5 minutes and you would have beautiful looking round puff puff. How stunning did these look? Now for some extra flavor, we're going to make a zobo cinnamon sugar. So I've got some sugar here, then I'm going to go with the chopped up zobo, and then we're going to go in with some cinnamon and then just mix everything all up together. And look how pretty this looks. Now you just want to toss this in with your puff puff. Make sure you do this while it's still hot so that your sugar can coat that puff puff really nicely. Now just toss everything all up together and there you go. This is my hibiscus slash zobo puff puff using the Millac Gold cooking and whipping cream. I really hope you try this recipe out because it's so simple but so delicious. But anyway guys, I will see you again very soon with another simple recipe. But guys, look how pretty those little zobo flakes look. So good. Bye guys.